money everywhere. The people now all different too.
Just for the video. I'll make it loud.
They smile
A little brighter. It seems like Christmas time. It's Christmas in America. Let the angels sing.
It's Christmas in America. Let freedom ring. Let peace reside throughout the world.
Especially in the States. It's Christmas in America. God bless the USA. So excited.
So loud.
Just for the video.
At Vinegar.
Because I'm making a video and I just want to be on the tape. The cookies have been baked. The Chris under the Christmas tree awaits the baby child. It seems to me how much more this year than it has been a while. It's Christmas in America. Let the angels sing. It's Christmas in America. Let freedom ring. Let peace resound throughout the world. Especially on the sea. Just for the video, I'll turn it. America, God bless the USA.
Your baby's close to life.
Video on, make sure we're in. Are we in? You're in.
Be thankful for
You're too
the way
close.
of life. We're fortunate to share and not forget the one we
Don't move.
The memory lives on in our hearts. They'll be forever in our thoughts and always in our prayers.
Scorch forge.
Until this world a child was born, his gift was meant for everyone. The light of peace shines on and on and never fades away. America, America, indivisible we are. One nation under God, and that will never change. 'Cause it's Christmas in America. Let the angels sing. It's Christmas in America. Let freedom ring. Let peace resound around the world, especially on the sea. It's Christmas in America. God bless the USA. Christmas in America. God bless the USA. Yeah!
All right, turn it down quick. Thank you very much.
I loved it.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, honey. Get out.
I'll save it for the spring.
No, now.
Oh, I can't barbecue now.
Stuff. I can't even breathe.
Of course, support.